Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland. And tonight, we're going to have a fried bluefish dinner. You know what? I was just thinking, I was ready to make dinner, and I was like, well, why not go ahead and film it? And so, let me show you what we're going to cook here, and along with the fresh bluefish. Actually, let's take a look at this up close. Yeah, that's fresh bluefish. And it was given to me by a friend, and he thinks it was caught off Assateague Island. We've got it sauteing in some, oh, cooking oil and a little bit of Pam, light cooking oil. So it's sauteing on medium low there. Now, back there, okay, you can see the burner. Yeah, we got that on high. We're trying to get that water boiling because then we're going to boil some white rice. Yeah, that bag in a bowl thing. Oh, that's so good. Then from the garden, right up here, from our own garden, we're gonna have. We'll slice up some banana peppers and tomatoes, and right there for seasoning, we're gonna have black pepper, Old Bay, and we might just want to kick in a little soy sauce. You never know. So we'll pack it back up after we flip these puppies. Thanks for still watching. Here comes the flip. Yeah, we flipped them. That water's boiling back there. It's good enough right now for me to, oh yeah, put the rice in. All right, it's gonna be 10 minutes. I'm gonna set the timer on here. Let me show you this. Set the timer on. Okay. Move it up to 10 minutes. All right. Hit timer on. Okay, it's gonna count down. Right. I just want that rice to boil for 10 minutes. It's gonna be good. I'll probably have to get out a colander or another dish or bowl or something. But you know what? Let's go ahead now and start seasoning this. So let's go ahead with some black pepper. All right, let's go ahead and do it. All right, let's just give it some. All right, that looks good. All right. Oh, all right. Now we gotta get out the Old Bay. Now I think this is actually a mixture of Old Bay and J.O., but it's good stuff, that's for sure. So let's get that seasoned. All right. Now, what else do we have? Well, that's pretty much it. Oh, but let's play with this. Oh, I see what we're gonna do. Let's do something a little different tonight. All right, I don't think I've ever done this. So here we're gonna take the soy sauce, and we're actually tonight just for kicks. Yeah, let's boil it in soy sauce. Oh, this will be different, won't it? I'm still gonna cut up the fresh produce. So hey, let me cut this off, and we'll start working on that. All right, you want to hear the craziest thing? I'm gonna parboil this tomato, oh, for about a minute. It'll make me be able to peel off the skin a lot easier. Oh, I think the parboiling worked like a charm. Here, let me just show you how easy the skin will start to peel off. All right, so oh, I gotta show you. See, look how easy this is to peel the skin off. All right, I gotta shut the camera down for a second. I honestly think it's time to take the bluefish off the burner. So I'm just gonna take it off over here and let it rest. Oh, I think that's gonna be good. Let me turn the burner off. Oh no, that's up. Turn that one down. All right. All right, and there we go. We still got about 5 minutes left on this, and as you can see, I've thrown in the banana pepper. Yeah, we're cooking the banana pepper right now. And right there, that's one tomato that we just peeled off after parboiling. And I think that's going to work really well with the rice and the banana pepper. So, yeah, that's going to all be added to a rice side dish. Timer just went off. So let's go ahead and, well, let's turn the timer off first. All right. Now we're going to turn the heat down there. Let's get that off. All right. Good. Got that down. Let's go ahead and take this over and we're going to put it in the colander. All right. Yeah, it's hot. Look at that steam. All right. Let that cool off for a minute or two. Then we're going to cut that rice open. We're going to clean the pepper and add it to the tomatoes. And yeah, dinner's getting close to being done. And after dicing up the banana peppers, let's finish it off with a little bit more soy sauce and the au jus. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great night.